Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook octopus on the grill. First, select a fresh or frozen octopus, ideally weighing between 2 and 3 pounds for optimal grilling. The key to tender octopus is proper pre-cooking. Boil it gently for about 30 to 60 minutes, or until a fork easily pierces the thickest part of the tentacles. Once tender, marinate your octopus for at least 30 minutes to infuse it with delicious flavors before it hits the grill. Now, let's get grilling. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, aiming for around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure to lightly oil your grill grates to prevent the octopus from sticking and ensure those perfect grill marks. Place the marinated octopus directly on the hot grates. Grill each side for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until you achieve a lovely char and the tentacles are slightly crispy. This quick grilling step adds incredible smoky flavor. To elevate the flavor even further, consider basting your octopus with any leftover marinade or a simple herb oil while it's on the grill. This keeps it moist and adds another layer of taste. Once grilled, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a drizzle of good quality olive oil, and a sprinkle of chopped fresh parsley or oregano can make a huge difference. Serve your perfectly grilled octopus with some roasted vegetables or a crisp, fresh salad for a complete meal. Here are a few final tips for success. The most crucial point is not to overcook the octopus on the grill. It's already tender from boiling, so you're just adding char and flavor. Aim for an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit if you're using a meat thermometer. After grilling, let the octopus rest for about 5 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more tender and flavorful bite every time. Enjoy your delicious grilled octopus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.